Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Today we are finally going to try the Juvia's Place foundation and concealer. It took hell for me to even get what I got, and I still have orders with Juvia that has not been shipped yet, even though it's been over a week. The one foundation that I got, I actually ordered more because I didn't know which one was my shade, but I think I kind of found it. So I'm not sure, but we're gonna see, okay? All right, so this is the foundation, and this is the I Am Magic Velvet Matte Foundation. And let's see, it says it is I Am Magic Radiant, Long Lasting, Creamy and Comfortable. Our Second Skin Creamy Foundation offers a smooth application with a soft, natural and soft matte finish to give it flawless coverage. A great formula to even out the complexion, refine skin texture and erase blemishes, maintaining the initial finish throughout the day, suitable for all skin types including sensitive and oily skin. Now I have sensitive skin, I don't have oily skin. I wanted to do a wear test, but I'm actually filming this kind of late, so I'm not able to do that. But the color that I got is Tanzania, and that is the shade 205. Alright, so it is a really small tube, and I've never really seen a foundation in the tube before, but it is 1 fluid ounce like a normal foundation is. And to me this is really good for traveling. If you're I don't like really traveling with glass foundations, like in glass bottles, because you never know, with, you know, it might break, you don't know. But this is actually pretty good. It's really cute to carry on, right? And I also got 2 concealers. So this is a Conceal Imperfect I Am Magic Concealer. Our Magic Creamy Radiant Concealer smooths and cancels out dark circles, blemishes, and skin imperfections. So I got 2 of these foundations. I got this one, and this seems a little light, but this is 11. And I think this is a little too light, but we're gonna see. And I got this to contour, and I got this is number 4, okay? And they're really like, this is a lot. This is really big. So I'm excited to try these. And the foundation, I heard really good things about it. I've seen some videos and everybody seems to like it. The issue that a lot of people are having is that they cannot find the right shades. Now some Ultas, I should say, some Ultas do have the foundation, but when I went to Ulta the day they put it out, it was gone, okay? So some Ultas do have the foundation, they do not have the concealers. Ulta will not be selling the concealer, so you will have to go on Juvia's Place and order your concealers, but you'll get it God knows when, because I still haven't gotten some of mine. I'm going to start with the concealer, because I started putting concealer on first and then putting my foundation over, okay? So this concealer is a bit light, so I don't know how it's going to pan out. The applicator is really thick. So let's just put some on. Yeah, this is kind of light, y'all. And the reason I'm putting on the concealer first is because I don't really like highlighting anymore, to be honest with you. Especially if it's just a normal day. I'm not into the whole highlighting thing, but if I want to put on concealer, I put it on under. That way it still looks flawless, but it's not like bright. So that's a little trick I learned from somebody here on YouTube. But yeah, so I'm gonna do that first, and it went out really nice, I must say. I didn't really have it didn't seem any type of, it doesn't seem matte, it seems very hydrating. So yeah, but it's light. I did order a number 8, J8, but I still haven't gotten it yet. So we're gonna do this one for right now. Alright, we blend that out as much as possible. I do have on my primer already, so I use my Milk Hydro Primer. So we're going to go ahead and use the foundation. And I hope this is my right shade. I have not tried it yet. I really hope. I did test it in Ulta, but I don't know. So I'm just going to take a squirt. It is a thick one. It is thick. This is a thick foundation. Just gonna I'm gonna gradually build it up. So let's see. Oh wow. Damn. It's thick, but it goes on really nice. I don't have much skin imperfections. Look at this, y'all. But this is actually really like smooth. Damn, yo. Ooh, y'all. I didn't even have to use a lot. Alright, y'all, so this is, it's full coverage. And it is thick, okay? She is really thick. But it applies really nice. It doesn't feel heavy. It feels lightweight. Wow. Damn. I like this. Ooh. This is really nice. My face looks flawless. I'm looking in my viewfinder. My face looks whew. But anyway, so we're gonna go ahead and use the contour shade number 4. And I'm just going to, this is, ooh. And I'm gonna swatch, let me swatch it on my chest so you guys can really see. And my chest is lighter than my face. So this is the J11. This is the J4. See, it's really rich. It's really nice. I saw some people getting J1 and they were lighter than me, and I thought that was entirely too dark. And this is the foundation. And you do not need a lot of the foundation. But this is Tanzania. Tanzania matches my face more. Y'all, this might have to be one of my favorite. Like, this shit is flawless. Okay, the fuck less. This is flawless. I'm not, this is amazing. Like, I've never ever, I don't think I've ever been so impressed with I'm speechless. I don't know what to say. Like, I don't know what to say. The concealer, this shade, if you are Tanzania, I think this shade will work well. This gives you a nice contour. It's not sharp. It's not crazy. This I would probably go a little darker, because how they have their shades, which is, I love how they did it. how they have their shades is Tanzania is 205, right? There are 3 different kingdoms. There's the dark kingdom, the medium kingdom, and the light kingdom. Let me get my phone. There are 42 shades. This is Tanzania. They have an array of different hues, different undertones. You will find your perfect shade. Like, my biggest problem was finding which darker shade works for me, because there's such a vast amount of these shades. What I love what Juvia did is that the darker shades, you know, darker shades were often the last shades. We have 3 or 4, whatever the case may be. What Juvia did was she started from the darker shades on up. So the darker shades are actually the first shades, and the lighter shades are the last shades. So I thought that was really nice, and she did the same thing with the concealers as well. It's not hard. It's hard to try to find your perfect shade on the website or online because you just don't know. I suggest to go to Ulta and purchase it if you can. If you cannot, if it's not available, my thing is you can test it out. So go ahead and test them out. If you find a shade that works well for you, I would suggest ordering it from Ulta. The reason I'm saying that because I still have orders with Juvia that I ordered like a week ago, and they still have not been fulfilled or shipped out. So I'm assuming because of all of this, they just backed up. I've seen people that have ordered since May 26th and still have not received anything. So y'all, I would suggest order from Ulta or buy it in the Ulta store. As far as a concealer, Juvia is the only place that has a concealer, so you will have to buy from there. Now I'm not sure when it's gonna get to you, but I would suggest getting it from there. The foundation retails for just $20, so it's not like mad expensive. $20, great price. I can deal with this. The concealer is $14. But you get like this big. You get a lot. So I would suggest getting a concealer. They have powders, which I have not received my powder yet. They have a foundation brush that I wanted to actually order. Haven't gotten it yet, but I just wanted it because it looked cute. So, but would I recommend this? Like, I'm not doing a word test because it's really late, and I'm not doing all that. But I probably will do I probably will do a word test sometime. This it's light. It oxidizes a little bit, so if you swatch it, just let it dry down a little bit so you can see what the true color is with your skin. The shades I bought, I know that it's not gonna work for me, so I might give them away to you guys if you want. I'm not gonna test it or nothing like that. I can give them away. I don't really know yet. I'll see whenever I get them. But Tanzania is my perfect shade. Like, Tanzania is nice, okay? Nice. But anyway, guys, let me know what you think of the foundation. Do you think that it matches? Are you around the shade? Have you tried this foundation? What do you think about it? I am in love. I am in love. I am in love. I don't even want to take it off. I don't want to take it off. It is really, I don't want to take it off. I'm not going to take it off. I'm probably going to find another video to film so I can keep it on a little bit more. It's so pretty. If you have any questions, let me know down below. Do not forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed to my channel. And I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.